Lahat ng senyales ng pagdadalang tao ay taglay ni Maricar, kaya't sigurado si Amor na buntis nga ang kanyang asawa. Mag-iisang taon pa lamang silang kasal kung kaya't laking tuwa nila na napaaga ang pagbubuntis.
We were very excited and the doctor told us to go to an ultrasound exam so we could see how the baby is doing.
Pero sa isang regular check-up ni Maricar, sa resulta, walang makitang bata sa sinapupunan niya. Ikinagulat ng mag-asawa ang resultang ito. Ayon pa sa kanyang doktor, mayroong hormonal imbalance si Maricar. Isang kondisyon na pwedeng magkaroon ng sintomas ng pagbubuntis ang babae. Pero sa katotohanan ay hindi naman. Dahil din sa kondisyong ito, mahihirapang magbuntis si Maricar.
Everything was all set, but in reality, hindi pala. And that was very, very devastating to us.
Bagamat ganun ang kondisyon, patuloy na kumapit sa Diyos ang mag-asawa. Pero habang tumatagal, mas lalong nagiging mahirap na magkaroon ng supling ang mag-asawa.
It was not easy. She had to go through a particular process so that she would get her menstrual cycle regulated. And that in itself took a while, probably a few months before she became a bit more regular so that we could try again.
Isang pangyayari ang mas lalong nagpahirap sa mag-asawa. Aksidenteng nadulas sa paglilinis ng bahay si Maricar. Sa grabing pagkakapilipit ng kanyang likod, hindi siya makatayo. Nakitang nagkaroon ng slip disc ang balakang ni Maricar. Sa sakit ng kanyang natamong pinsala, kinailangan niyang uminom ng morphine, isang napakalakas na painkiller, panibagong dagok sa minimithing supling ng mag-asawa.
The doctors said that your options are to whether to pabayaan lang natin to for you to go through therapy, or you can have an operation. But of course, the operation will not guarantee that it will relieve yung condition niya. So, paano na lang yun pag magkakaanak kami na yung weight of carrying a child, and then syempre pag laki na ng bata, when the baby comes out, yung pagkakarga, paglalaro, that also really contributed to the frustration.
Sobra-sobra ang sakit na nararamdaman ni Maricar nang dahil sa pinsala. Minsan mawawalan na lamang ng malay ito dahil hindi makayanan ang kirot na nararanasan.
She went through several months of therapy. Hindi rin naging madali yun kasi medyo mahal yung, of course, yung sa hospital, pero the Lord provided yung mga medicines na kailangan niyang i-take na round the clock, literally round the clock.
7 taong nag-antay ang mag-asawa na magkaroon ng supling. Hindi maiwasang mainggit ang mag-asawa sa tuwing makakakita sila ng mag-asawang may kalong-kalong na bata.
As the years progressed in our marriage, after 1, 2, 3 years, they start asking you questions like, oh, kailan ba kayo magkakaanak? Or what's taking so long? Or what's wrong? And of course, that was, of course, we put on a smile. We say, oh, it will come, and, but at the back of it all, we have that feeling na parang how we wish we could have a kid already. I knew there was a reason behind it, but sometimes it's so hard to see. So you just have to trust Him, even if you don't see the physical things or the physical attributes or physical results. You just trust in Him.
Sa tulong ng mga kaibigan at sa pagtawag na rin sa 700 Club Prayer Center, patuloy na lumakas ang pananampalataya ng mag-asawa. Bagamat laging negatibo ang resulta ng pregnancy test ni Maricar, sa araw na ito ay lumabas na positibo ang resulta. Pero dahil hindi nakasisiguro sa nakitang test, kumonsulta sila muli sa doktor.
So we went to the doctor, and it just so happened that the doctor that we went to had an ultrasound machine by her clinic. And right there and then we found out that she was pregnant and that the baby was there. We saw it in the screen, that tiny dot that is our baby. And it was an amazing feeling.
It doesn't matter na nung time na yon kung sino ka mukha. Basta nung time na yon, tingin ko talaga, this is it. Ito yung kasagutan dun sa matagal na namin pinagpe-pray. yun, tumulo na yung luha ko. Parang wala ko nasabi, salamat po, Panginoon.
Makalipas ang 7 mahahabang taon ng paghihintay, ipinanganak si Adrian Adam, ang unang supling ng mag-asawa. Maligayang maligaya na ang mag-asawa sa kanilang bagong supling, pero tila ang lahat ng paghihirap na nadaanan ay talagang may kapalit na pagpapala sa Diyos. 2 taon nang nakalipas, isa na namang sanggol ang ipinanganak, si Azriel Aiden.
God has a plan for everything. He has a time for everything. In moments that you feel that nafo-frustrate ka na bakit ba ang tagal, bakit hindi pa siya naging pregnant, it all boiled down to, it's not up to us. It's really in God's hand.